Imagine growing up in a home where you look different from everyone else, imitating songs and behaviors not inherently your own. This phenomenon, known as sexual misimprinting, challenges the very essence of identity, raising profound questions about nature's ability to adapt and the boundaries between species. What makes this saga even more intriguing is that great tits raised in blue tit families spend their entire lives believing they are blue tits, attempting to sing like them and mate with them. However, their cunning cousins raised in great tit nests are able to recognize that they are in fact blue tits when they grow up. Why could this be?